Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by treating the USB as read-only. Do not copy new files to it. Plug the drive into a stable port and identify the drive letter or device node so you know what to target. Next, install or download a verified recovery program or boot a live Linux USB if you prefer low-level tools. This gives you both GUI and command options. Once done, make sure you run the tool from your computer's internal disk, not the USB, to avoid overwrites and preserve recoverable sectors. You start with a quick scan to surface recently deleted entries. That's fast and often successful. If you don't see the files, run a deep or full sector scan. This searches file signatures and can take much longer, but recovers fragmented data. While scanning, use filters for common file types like JPG, DocX, or MP4 to speed discovery. Once found, preview files in the recovery tool so you confirm integrity. Make sure to export recovered items to a different drive, not the original USB. You now select the files or folders to restore, choosing a different destination drive to avoid overwriting source sectors. After recovery, open or checksum a sample of files to verify they are intact. Images, documents, and videos should open without errors. If files are corrupted, make a bit-for-bit image of the USB and retry recovery on the image. Tools often work better on a stable copy. If problems persist, consider a professional data recovery service. Don't continue risky write operations on the original drive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.